Welcome to the Mr. Fluent English listening channel. Hello, everyone. Today's story is called Asking for Directions. In this video, you will follow a simple and slow story about Taylor and Sam. They are walking in the city, but they cannot find the place they want to go. You will learn useful English words for asking for directions. I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and listen to the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. Where are Taylor and Sam trying to go? The answer is in the conversation. Please write your answer in the comments section. All right, let's start.
Scene 1, Getting Lost.
Sam, I think we are lost.
Lost? What does lost mean?
Lost means we do not know where we are. We do not know the way.
Oh no. We are lost. Where are we now?
I'm looking at the map on my phone.
A map? What is a map?
A map is a picture of the city. It shows the streets and buildings. It helps us find our way.
Oh, I see. A picture of the city is a map. But I still don't know where we are.
Me neither. We need to ask for help.
Scene 2, Asking a Stranger.
Look, Taylor, there is a police officer over there. Let's ask him.
Good idea. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us?
Hello. Yes. How can I help you?
We are lost. We are looking for the city museum.
The City Museum. Yes, I know where that is. It is not far from here.
That is great. Can you tell us the way?
Scene 3, The Directions, Part 1.
Of course. First, go straight down this street.
Go straight? What does go straight mean?
Go straight means walk in one line. Do not turn left. Do not turn right. Just walk forward.
Ah, I understand. Walk forward. Go straight.
Yes. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Blocks?
A block is the square of buildings between the streets. 1 block, 2 blocks.
Okay. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Scene 4, The Directions, Part 2.
After 2 blocks, you will see traffic lights.
Traffic lights? What are traffic lights?
Traffic lights are the red, yellow, and green lights on the road. They tell the cars when to stop and go.
Oh, the red, yellow, and green lights. I know them.
Yes. At the traffic lights, turn left.
Turn left. Okay.
Then, walk a little more. The City Museum will be on your right. It is next to a big park.
Next to a big park. We understand. Thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome. Have a great day.
Scene 5, Arriving at the Destination.
Okay, Sam. Let's follow the directions. We need to go straight for 2 blocks.
1 block. 2 blocks. Look, Taylor. There are the traffic lights.
Good. Now we need to turn left at the traffic lights.
Turning left now. Let's walk a little more.
The officer said the museum is on the right, next to a big park.
Look over there, Taylor. I see a big park, and there is a big building next to it.
The City Museum, we found it. We are not lost anymore.
Scene 6, Review and Celebration.
We did it. That was easy.
Yes, because you listened well. Do you remember the new words?
Yes. If we don't know where we are Lost.
Right. What helps us find the way?
A map helps us, and we can ask people for help.
Very good. What were the directions?
Go straight means walk forward. Walk for 2 blocks. Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Wow, Sam. You remembered everything. Now let's go inside the museum and look at the dinosaur bones.
Yes, let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn useful English words for asking for directions. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Where are Taylor and Sam trying to go? Did you get it right? Please write your answer in the comments section. Writing complete sentences helps you practice real English output. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but practical tips for everyday situations. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.